model, 63-plate Peugeot Boxer 335L3H2 2.2 HDi spares OR repairs body, white, panel van mileage, 107,931 engine, 2,198 cc 4 HHC transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, runs slightly underpowered, timing chain is slightly stretched. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features: 2 former keepers, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, £5,525. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.